How's it going, everyone? So today I'll just be going over February 27th, my trades of the day. Just another journal entry for you guys. Just basically going over what I take each day. So I'm trading the New York AM Open 9:30 every morning. I basically just limit myself to 2 trades per day. But with no further ado, let's get into it. So to start out, here we're at 9:31 on this chart right now, so a little bit right into open, but I want to show you what my bias was first. So first on the daily, we had previous day was closed back inside, so I wanted to see basically I was pretty bullish on the day, which we'll get into later on why I was wrong. But I also saw this SMT right here, and that just pushed me towards a bullish bias. And I usually drop down to the 4-hour, and on this I was looking at the 2 a.m. to see if we could catch an expansion out of this 6 a.m. candle. So I saw that we closed on both sides, so it was kind of undecided, but the most recent was this level that was pushed back up, so I was bullish on the 4-hour again, with my targets being somewhere up here or somewhere nearby, just to maybe just push up into this big 4-hour fair value gap. And on the 1-hour, I was looking for something to get tapped into, which we did. We swept these lows, so I used that as a confluence as well. We swept these previous lows, and so I moved down to the 5-minute, and as you see, we got a change in the state of delivery, which is great after we already swept this low. So I was very bullish once we opened, and so I wanted to see a retrace back and a closure above a candle to push up to this London high. And so on the 1-minute, I waited. See, we got that change in the state of delivery. I waited. I sat on my hands, and I entered off. Went down to the 2-minute just to get a more refined approach, but I didn't see any. I did see this tiny fair value gap, but mostly I wanted to focus on the 1-minute, and so I saw this fair value gap. It's been respected towards the half point, and so I took the trade right here. Wasn't the best trade, honestly, and it shows because I did get stopped out. Let's see, move down to I think I got tagged in right around here, which was a horrible fill. I was targeting somewhere around, I think it was that high, and kept my stop just below this low. So 35-point stop, and it ran for a little bit, and then I got stopped out. So there was that trade. So my confluences that I didn't wait for was this fair value gap was not respected whatsoever, because I saw that we closed past this halfway point, but I still was, it was just showing so much action that I had a mixed reality there where I decided to just take it. But I learned, and the market always will punish you for doing stuff like that. So I definitely learned today, and it was a PPI day. So it's red folder news if you don't know what that is. But all right, now that we had this failed trade out of the way, I wanted to show you the next trade that I took that was actually very close to this trade. So I actually didn't have to wait that long for another setup, which was actually pretty great. I saw that we formed an SMT, and then we also closed below this candle right here, which caused me to, I usually see this pattern, and I like to take shorts because it's literally making a little, I don't know how to explain it, like a not suspension block, but it makes a little propulsion block that brings it up. But I wanted to cash out on this little move down because I was crunched for time, and I did have class, so I wanted to get my day done with, and I had one more trade left for the day, so I decided to just wait for this good setup, and I took it right here. Stop was on this high, and my take profit was at this internal low. Oh, my stop was very tight on this one actually, so I just wanted to cash out on some shorts. I sized, I think it was double from the last one. I like to do that. And then let's see how this one played out. Oh jeez, there we go. Got that first candle in there, straight to profit. Boom, wicked my level, and I was happy with that. Pretty break-even day. I actually got into profit, which was great, but overall pretty break-even. And I wouldn't take this trade if I didn't. I usually only take these trades if I have a loss on the day and I want to find a break-even trade quick, and I'm either crunched for time, or I'll either just sit on my hands and wait till the next day, so I live to trade another day. That's one of my good messages I'll put out there is always live to trade another day. So if you don't have that mindset, you'll end up blowing up accounts and risking more than you should. So that really helped me in my journey, and I hope it helps you. So let me know what you guys think. Any video recommendations. This will be in the Discord as well, and I will be announcing a new website soon. So that should be announced shortly. Thanks for watching. See ya.